Okay, so we are going to the flea market. I have my mask, you guys can see. Ignore, I'm trying, like, I got ready, but I look kind of weird. Maybe because it's really early. I'm gonna try to vlog a little bit, see if I can. But yeah. So this is my hair. I'll show you guys my outfit because it's so cute. Like, I really, really like it. So I'm wearing this little black crop top from Target. My jeans, these are from Walmart. Also, these are boot cut. They're like a slim boot cut, which I love. And then I'm wearing the boots, you guys can see. And yeah, this is the fit. I think it's so cute and it's so comfy. Okay, so I know I said I was going to vlog and I didn't. I just don't feel comfortable doing so just yet in public. Plus, I was with my entire family. We were just walking and looking around. I only bought one thing, so yeah. This is what I got today. And it's just like lots of pinks and purples, and I really like it. It's very glittery. And then we have the mirror right there. Brand new, it's not broken or anything. None of the eyeshadows are broken. The colors are so pretty and I can't wait to use them. If I can, I'll probably do some makeup tutorials for you guys. It's already about to be 7, so we spent the whole day practically over there. We went to eat and now we're back home. We literally just got home, so I'm sorry I didn't vlog. Also, I ordered a Fitbit. It's supposed to arrive tomorrow. I'll show you guys that. So yes. Okay, so yesterday, I told you guys that if my Fitbit came in today, I would show it to you guys and do a little unboxing video in front of you guys. So it came. Okay, first off, let me explain. So I ordered this on Thursday. I've been using this one, which is actually my older brother's. It's the Fitbit Blaze, for a week now, just to see how I like it, and then, like, you know, the process, being familiar with it, how I use it and everything, and I love it. So I ordered it and now it's here. Literally, it came like 30 minutes ago in the mail. So this is it. Just the Fitbit Versa 2, and it's in the pink color, of course. I guess let's try opening this. Okay, so here is the Fitbit. Then here comes with an extra band and the charger right here. So it's so pretty. Okay. So it comes with a little plastic and it's so cute. Okay. I'm like trying to be careful, like not to break it or anything. And it looks like it comes with, I think this is an extension. So yeah, here's the little like thing, the little head. In here, actually, and here comes both. I thought it came separate, but okay, so I'm opening it. I have a trash can right here, so don't think I'm just throwing it on the floor. So it just comes like this. It's all black, and this one doesn't have like the little, like, how do I explain it? It's not a little box. It's just a holder, basically. So see, this is just like a holder. You put it on here and, you know, that's it. It's a little holder. For this one, it's a box. So it kind of looks like this, but not really. And it has a little lid, and you like close it, and you know, when you charge it. So it's like a little box. So that's the charger. I guess I'm saying goodbye to this one. It's okay though. Oh my gosh, I don't even want to take off the sticky part. Like, should I take it off? Because I don't want to scratch it, but then it's so pretty, and it's like rose gold. Like, I don't know if you guys can see, like, this part right here, this little frame is like a rose gold, and it's so pretty. It's like, I mean, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It says I really don't want to take off the little thing, but like, if I don't take it off, how am I gonna work with it? Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's so shiny. Okay, so I just took it off, so it just looks like this. You guys see how shiny it is? And here you can see more of like the rose gold, and then this part is really shiny as well. There's a little band, and this is like rose gold color, and this is the extra part that came with it. So it came with this. So yeah, it's just an extension. It's a little bit longer. Yeah. I really don't even, I don't want to put it on because it's so pretty and it's so shiny, and like, I don't want to scratch it, and knowing me, I'm gonna hit it against everything because I don't know why, like, I'm clumsy, but I'm not clumsy. Like, I'm really not. Like, I don't be tripping and falling and stuff like that, or knocking things over, but like, I guess I have clumsy arms. I don't know, but when I'm wearing something on my wrist, I always somehow hit the walls when I'm walking. I don't know how or why. Like, I'll be walking and I'll like go to my mom's room or something, and somehow I end up like hitting my arm against the wall or the little corners or the doorway or something for no reason. This is why I don't like having things on my wrist, but this is so pretty. Okay, so now it's finally on. I switched over to this one now, and it looks so pretty. I don't know if you guys can see, that looks so pretty. So it already has like what I've burned and stuff, and then this is what it has for apps. I know I can just take it off and show you guys, but I already have it on, so I'm gonna just leave it on. It has Pandora, it has Starbucks, Alexa, which I don't even buy anything from Starbucks, so it's fine. But yeah, so I'm really excited to use it, and yeah, hopefully I don't break it or scratch it or anything, ruin it anytime soon. Yeah, I don't know if you guys want to know the price, but so originally when I wanted to get it a couple months back, I checked online. So I got this from Walmart. I checked online and it was about $200 for this one. So the black one and like the gray one, they were like $180 or like $190, so a little less than $200. But this one, for being pink, I'm guessing it was $200. And then my brother told me that if you buy it from the store, like not online, if you go up to the store and get it and they have it in stock, then it's $150. But I never got it until recently. We were talking about Fitbits again and like trying to get one and stuff, and I looked online and it was $179 with something cents, so $180 plus tax, you know. So I was like, not bad. And I looked at all the colors, and for all of them, even the pink one, it was like $180. So that's where I was like, I kind of want to buy it, I kind of don't. And of course I ended up buying it, and it came out to be like, I don't have the price here, like $190 something. So a little less than $200 with tax and everything. So it was like a little less than $200. Yeah. So that's it for this unboxing portion. I hope it wasn't boring or like I rambled too much. Now I'm gonna continue with my day. So I'm already done with school and everything. I don't know if you guys can see, but like my stuff is still set up right there, like the computer and like all my like journals and everything are still there. So I'm gonna continue with school, finish my work. And okay, so a very quick update. So I went downstairs and I showed my brother, and he actually gave me this little case thingy, protector, like screen protector thing, and it's like rubber. So now I don't have to worry about scratching it, because knowing me, I'm gonna scratch it. So He also gave me this, which it's the little band, but this one is silver and it looks like that. And it's really pretty. Ooh. So yeah, I don't know if you guys can see it. I think it has rhinestones. Yeah, it does. Yeah, so he gave me that just in case I want to change the band, but I mean, I don't think I'll be changing this band anytime soon because I love the pink. I didn't even show you guys my outfit, so I'm just wearing this little black top that I cropped myself, my jeans from Walmart, and my black Nike Air Force Ones. And this top, it actually is a little boy's Nike shirt, and I cropped it myself and then rolled up the sleeves. I did this a long time ago. So yeah, I've been having this top for quite a while. And yeah, I really like how it's high neck and everything, so it's pretty covered for the most part. Yeah, and I just wear outfits like this for school all the time because they're just very simple and cute. Now all I'm gonna do is put all my stuff away. So yeah, I just ended school already. Well, it's been a while, like an hour ago. And I won't be doing any more work, so I'm just gonna clear everything off my desk. Finished all my stuff on this page. And there we go. Now everything's cleaned off and organized. Right now I have a little bit of time between classes, so I am trying to, as you can see my closet is open, I'm trying to get rid of like some of my clothes in my closet, so declutter, get rid of any clothes that I don't want, and also just get rid of, like take out clothes and put them away in my drawers because I'm trying to like make more space in there. So yes, I have an empty drawer right here, so what I decided to do was my t-shirts, like my regular full length t-shirts, I'm putting them in the drawers over here, and then my crop tops, I'm putting them in the small drawer over here because most of them are just hung up in there, but they really don't need to be because I can fold them. And so I'm trying to only keep like jeans, jackets, and like dresses, and anything that really can't be like folded, I'm trying to keep in there. So this is the clothes that I have out. So these are all my crop tops, and then these I have t-shirts. This is the crop top that I'm folding right now, and then this is the empty drawer. So it's kind of small compared to these ones that I have my clothes on. These are all the other crop tops, but this is empty. So I'm thinking about just folding all of my crop tops, putting them in there, and then my t-shirts will be in here like always. And that way I will take away some space from my drawers, my closet. So I'm going to show you guys my drawer. This is the final.
So I started off with black, and then it faded into a dark green, then a gray, then white, and then yellow. And then here we have reds, fade into blues, and then purples. So that's it. Those are all my crop tops, which I just think this is so much better. And then these are the majority of my full-length t-shirts. Again, they fit into the colors, so it looks really nice.
I really like this new little organization slash setup because it's just a lot easier and quicker to find out what I want. So if one day I'm like, you know what, I want to wear a crop top, I go straight to my drawer and there are my crop tops. Or if one day I just want to wear a full-length t-shirt, you know, I just want to be chill, whatever, go into my drawer of my full-length tops. It's just so much easier, and I know where everything is at, and my closet isn't so cluttered.
So I'm just wearing this red little t-shirt, jeans from Walmart, and my white beat up Air Force Ones. And yeah, closer look. And I'm just wearing little French braids. And of course my Fitbit.
This is the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and if you like videos like this, please let me know. Leave a comment below about it. I don't know, give me some feedback. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye, loves.